Hi and welcome to another session of Alejandro Fixes It. Today we're gonna learn how to track the location of an old PVC pipe using one of these standard snake drains from Home Depot. This is a 50 footer, pretty heavy baby, but it works pretty well. This will unclog an old line, but we wanna shoot two birds with one stone. You don't want on top of that rent the line that you use to like map or track the location of the line with the camera. You want to just use this one, unclog it, and at the same time map the location. Here's how to do it. Basically, we're gonna run this through, and then as long as the pipe runs about a feet underground, you're gonna be able to actually hear it. So you're gonna keep this thing running, and then you're gonna sort of crawl through and see where it's making noise. That's step number one. If that doesn't work, we're gonna use a metal detector that's gonna detect the metal of this line. It's gonna also tell you where it is located. If it's a little bit further on the ground, up to a little more than 2 feet, which is standard for these lines, it can be detected with the metal detector. So let's get going. Normally you have to step on this baby, turn on the switch forward, and then run this line through. Make sure you use a glove, the number you're using to run this line. You're gonna run it through, and then you're gonna start stepping on this thing that's gonna run it. Run it roughly until the point where you want to see where it goes, and then you're gonna go listen to it while someone else steps on this thing, or you put a heavy object on this thing to keep it running while you go check it out. All right, I put this heavy object in here, flip the switch, this thing will run. And now you can actually feel the ground vibrating where this pipe is going. So you can see, I can feel that it's going to the left side of this tree. But the vibration is stronger behind the tree, so I have to run it a little longer. Okay, now I have moved a little bit further. I can actually hear it right around here. Let's see if it picks up the noise. It's gonna make that noise when banging on the plastic. So you can tell that it's around here. The metal detector is gonna give us more accuracy. Okay, so now I have come here and heard the line right around these points here that I marked while I was listening to the noise of the snake banging on the plastic of the PVC. I marked that location with this landscape paint. So now we're gonna give us a little more accuracy on the location using this baby. So yes, this is very easy to find any Home Depot. So you can also order it online in the link below in the description. And this is one of the more affordable metal detectors I found, but also sort of medium in terms of quality and accuracy. Found it on Amazon. Link is below in the description. And basically you're going to swivel this back and forward along the areas where you suspect this line is running, and it's gonna make a noise. I'm gonna set it on all metals. This is pretty simple with very straightforward instructions. It's gonna tell us where the line is running. So let's see. So we can see that it beeps when it goes by this orange, where I heard it go through. tell that it's right around here. Maybe a little bit to the right of that paint spot. I'm gonna mark it in that exact location. A little bit more to the right, right around there. So now I know where it is, and I can make the connection from that newly installed downsprout drain line. I can make a connection from that to the pipe, and that's gonna get us all squared. So thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.